In this lesson, we'll cover creating panel schedules. Basically, a panel schedule is a special type of schedule that's automatically generated from data within panel objects. For example, when you select a panel, first after you create it, you can actually choose the Create Panel Schedule button that does appear on the actual ribbon. This will then allow you to pick a template to create a panel schedule table. As you add circuitry and other electrical elements to that panel, those will be applied and shown within the panel schedule. So for example, let's add a panel, and then after we've added the panel, we'll actually add a panel schedule. So let's go to the Systems tab on your ribbon, then over to the right in the electrical area of the ribbon, click on Electrical Equipment. In the Properties area on the left, click the drop down for the type and choose M Lighting Appliance Panel Board 208 volt. We'll do the 100 amp unit. Now for placement, I'm going to move into the third floor and I'm going to zoom in on this and just align it to the right of the PP-3A panel and click to place it. After you've placed it, click Modify to end the command. Now this places the panel located on the wall, being that's what it's hosted with, on the third floor. Now to create a panel schedule, simply click on the panel itself. When you do, the Edit toolbar appears to the right of the ribbon, where you can edit the actual family, and you can actually edit work planes, pick a new work plane, but you also see a new button for Create Panel Schedules. So if you click Create Panel Schedule, it's going to present you with two options in the dropdown. Use the default template based on your settings inside of Revit, or choose a template. I'm going to choose a template. This will list the available templates that you could pick from to actually create a panel schedule table. I'm just going to choose the first one, Branch Panel. Click OK. This will then generate a panel schedule table where you can actually see the columns, rows of everything within this panel. Currently, there's nothing because we haven't actually added anything to this panel, but you'll be able to see information that can be useful downstream for your project for verifying locations for your circuits, length or voltage, breaker size, and even wire size. So all of this information is going to be gathered and contained and displayed within the actual panel schedule. Now to close the panel schedule, simply just click the X in the upper right. That closes the panel schedule. The panel schedule is also in a special group in the project browser in the lower left. So if you scroll down, you can actually see panel schedules. And these are all of the current panels in this project, with the one that I just added at the very top, the 100 amp or 100A schedule. Go ahead and click in the background anywhere to deselect. So as a review, in this lesson, we looked at creating panel schedules. We first talked about creating a panel, and once we have our panel inside of our Revit model, we can select that panel. Then we can choose the Create Panel Schedule icon from the ribbon. From here, we can pick a template to base the panel schedule on, and then that panel schedule is actually created. We also looked at viewing the panel schedule in the special panel schedule area of the project browser.